Introducing the Neomow X from Hokey, a cutting-edge lawnmower robot utilizing LiDAR SLAM navigation technology. Neomow X is equipped with LiDAR SLAM and a multi-sensor navigation system, ensuring precise positioning and navigation. The LiDAR-based SLAM system utilizes a laser sensor to generate a real-time 3D map of the environment. This allows the Neomow X to perform lawn care tasks efficiently and safely, even in densely wooded areas. Neomow X features a dual obstacle avoidance system utilizing LiDAR and vision, enabling real-time detection and precise obstacle avoidance. Its front-wheel drive design can easily cover a variety of lawn areas, with excellent off-road and hill climbing capabilities. It also incorporates an anti-blocking cutting disc design and supports electric height adjustment. The rain sensor module continuously monitors rainfall and delivers task feedback based on current weather conditions. Hokey app enables users to remotely monitor the Neomow X robotic lawnmower's working status anytime, anywhere. No need for complex auxiliary equipment like RTK reference stations. Easily set up virtual boundaries, safe passage, and no-go zones for your lawn area using the Hokey. Initiate lawn care with a single button on your Hokey app. Neomow X's parallel mowing algorithm significantly improves mowing efficiency. Thanks to LiDAR SLAM, Neomow X will never have signal blind spots in your garden. Powerful mowing performance keeps your lawn healthy. Effortlessly manage multiple areas with the Neomow X. Smoothly handle uneven terrain on your lawn. When the battery is low, Neomow X will automatically return to the charging station, record its current mowing position, and seamlessly resume mowing tasks after charging is complete. You can install the charging station in garages, tool sheds, and more. The outstanding performance of the Neomow X eliminates the hassle of lawn maintenance. Embrace the future of lawn care with Neomow X. Order yours today.